Welcome to our video on making the most of online banking, advanced tips and tricks. In today's increasingly digital world, online banking has become the go-to method for managing personal finances. However, many people are not aware of the advanced features and tools that online banking platforms offer. In this video, we will explore how you can make the most out of your online banking experience by learning some valuable tips and tricks. So, let's get started. Online banking offers a multitude of features which can greatly simplify your financial management. By applying these advanced tips and tricks, you can maximize the benefits of online banking and streamline your financial tasks. Tip 1. Strengthening your online security. The first and foremost aspect to prioritize while using online banking is security. Taking proactive measures to protect your confidential information is crucial. One key aspect of security is using strong and unique passwords for your online banking accounts. Avoid using common passwords or personal information that can be easily guessed. Instead, create complex passwords that combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Another important security measure is enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA. This provides an extra layer of protection by requiring a verification code, usually sent to your mobile device, in addition to your password. It significantly reduces the chances of unauthorized access to your accounts. Phishing attempts are a common method used by hackers to gain access to your online banking credentials. Always be cautious when clicking on links or providing personal information. Verify that the website is legitimate and secure before entering any sensitive data. Tip 2. Optimize automated features. Online banking platforms offer a range of automated features that can simplify your financial tasks and save you time. One useful feature is the ability to create automatic transactions. This allows you to schedule recurring payments, such as monthly bills or loan installments, so you never miss a due date. Take advantage of this feature to efficiently manage your finances and avoid late payment fees. Account alerts are another helpful tool provided by online banking platforms. You can customize notifications to receive alerts for specific activities, such as large transactions, low balances, or deposit confirmations. These alerts help you stay informed and detect any suspicious or unauthorized transactions. Many online banking platforms offer budgeting tools that can help you track your spending habits and set financial goals. Take advantage of these tools to gain a better understanding of your financial situation, make informed decisions, and save money. Tip 3. Explore advanced options. Beyond the basic features, there are additional advanced options available in online banking platforms that can enhance your financial management experience. Account aggregation is a powerful feature that allows you to link multiple accounts, even those from different financial institutions, in one place. This enables you to obtain a comprehensive view of your overall financial standing, facilitating better financial planning and analysis. To gain insights into your spending patterns, some online banking platforms offer expenditure categorization. This automatically categorizes your transactions, such as groceries, transportation, and entertainment, providing a visual breakdown of where your money is going. This can be immensely helpful in budgeting and identifying areas where you can potentially cut down on expenses. Certain online banking platforms also provide investment options, allowing you to conveniently manage your investments within the same platform. Take advantage of these opportunities to grow your wealth and diversify your financial portfolio. By following these advanced tips and tricks, you can make the most out of your online banking experience. Strengthen your security, optimize automation, and explore advanced options to effectively manage your finances and achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope you found these tips and tricks valuable. Stay tuned for more informative content.